I've been wearing this grill out. Tonight I'm gonna do wings, and first I'll get some Frank's hot sauce on it. I think Frank's is the best anyway, but I swear you got to do it first. Do the hot sauce, let that cook on there, and then you can go back with the barbecue sauce. And I'll use George's is the brand that I like to use. It's a Carolina vinegar sauce, and then I'll just mix it like half and half with just some like Kraft regular barbecue sauce. It's the best. I put it on everything. And I've been dieting, so I've been drinking these, and they ain't bad. I like to get them crispy. I put some char on them, and then I'll re-sauce them. Man, these things are good. Fit and eat for sure.